lost the game.
Say if he has to take the door panels off for his mirrors, but he actually already gutted his whole interior. These are the screws, right?
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Oh shoot, I'm wrong then.
Those are for this window, I think.
How do you take off the mirror then?
I'll show you.
Oh. Damn, just like that?
Yeah. It's just the
There's a wire though,
unit.
huh?
Yeah. It's like somewhere in here. This one. That's it.
Oh, I see. These are so nice. I literally told him in the last vlog that I wanted these because I saw them on a blue FRS. Dude, these are so sick.
Trade them for my Toms.
I wonder how much of a difference it's gonna be. Like, oh, I can see.
I know it's gonna be hard to...
Dude, these are nice. They're not bad at all.
They're clean, dude. Like, hear that?
It's turbo.
That's it.
That's it. What would you do if I just dropped it and cracked it? Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you guys for watching today's video. Did a little bit of work so far. We just installed his new APR carbon fiber side mirrors. They look so sick. In my last vlog, I told you guys that I wanted to put these onto my car. I saw it on another FRS at the car meet that I went to. Definitely something that I want to put on my car in the near future.
Alright, man. Here we go.
Oh shoot! Oh, that's pretty warm.
Ah! It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
A few moments later.
Finished up with his oil change and his mirror install. So we're actually heading to AutoZone right now. We're gonna drop off a whole bunch of oil that I have laying around my house. It's taking up a whole bunch of space. I have like 15 quarts of like oil at my house, so I feel like every time I go there, their oil dump is full, but hopefully it's not today. Just finished dropping off all the oil at Pet Boys. So now we're gonna do a little side-by-side comparison of what our exhaust sounds like. We both have Kronicle link tethers, like I said, so I feel it would be so sick. This car is way louder than mine, honestly. I think it is. It's a little bit more raspier than mine, but we both have that Subaru rumble. We're probably gonna take it to the usual spot in the back roads so we don't bother anybody out on the roads. There's nobody out there. There's a cop. You didn't see that? This guy freaking revved with the cop right there. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Is he coming? This is so scary. Why?
Potholes galore.
Let me know down in the comment section which one is louder, his car or mine. Oh yeah,
I've been reading.
People always got something to say about like freaking our cars having a loud exhaust, but honestly, who cares? So it's pretty similar. He just has 2 aftermarket resonators, and I have my 1 stock resonator on mine. So I don't know if that makes a sound difference, but I feel like his sounds way louder than mine. We've been making tons of noise all day, literally all around this whole area, and like drive-bys and like exhaust clips. We're gonna call it a day and make it back home.